What's up, guys? It's Thunder Breezy. I'm living easy. I might step outside, catch me a floozy where my dog is.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Thunder Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Hey, man, you already know it ain't Sunday, it's Monday. So we about to step outside, might catch us a floozy. Hey, rubbing them hands together like Birdman. You hear it? But anyway, man. Oh, shout out to Darren Claxton, man. Shout out to Darren Claxton Music for the intro, man. I think it's nfttunes.io. I'll link it in the description. If I forget, just come to the Telegram. He in there. I think it's pinned to the top. Shout out to him, man. But anyway, man, I am rubbing my shoulder. Talking about rubbing them hands together, but I'm massaging my shoulder, boy. Some of y'all that go back with me, y'all know I get up early and go to Panera Bread, man. And I be wrestling and fighting with them old people, man, for them souffles. They don't never have enough souffle. Every time I go in there, it be 2 souffles left. And I got to fight with these old. I'm talking about it goes down. You hear me? That's the hidden secret about Panera Bread. It goes down. We be throwing bowl. Man, they be coming off the top row. I'm telling you. I'm not lying, man. They be killing you, boy. Stoner, boy. They don't care. They be like, I know you do your little YouTube, but you ain't getting this, boy. I'm telling you, man. So anyway, I'm about to video it. I'm serious. Y'all think I'm playing. It be a Royal Rumble, and I'm talking about black, white, old. I be the youngest person in there. And they be giving me a run for my money, boy. They be wearing my ass out. Anyway, man, it's hilarious. I'm dead serious. Anyway, so let's see. I'm going to get the man. Drip, boy, I'm going to show you some more drip going to blow your mind, boy. I'm telling you. But anyway, Avarice, today is the 4th day. Today is when the dividends come. I'm going to do another video on this because some people still don't even understand how to get in it. I'm like, man, look here. But the first thing you need to do, man, go on and enter. Like this first thing I do in the morning is I enter. And then later on in the day, you know what I'm saying, if I see it's going to be less than the day before, I top it off because you can enter more than once. But you know what I'm saying? You will forget. If you've been in these type of platforms before, you know, you be thinking, I'm going to get in. You always miss the best day. First thing to do is just put a little bit in there, 0.1, 0.2, you know, whatever it is. Just go on and enter. You know what I'm saying? We'll do it like that. But anyway, let's keep it moving. Shall we? Oh, I'm glad I popped it up. Look at this, man. Check this out. If y'all don't know this Craig Grant, right? I don't even know. This channel just popped up like on the sidebar or something. And I thought this was like a meme or somebody making fun, but it's a very old video of Craig Grant. It is hilarious. Man, dude, cause I always follow Craig, man. He a cool dude, man. He crypto up and down. You crypto, this dude is crypto up. I think he like full time, like just only use crypto now. But it's just funny, he ain't got his hair, you know what I'm saying? Or nothing. He just looks so young and skinny. That is funny, man. But anyway, I just thought that was hilarious. That popped up. So it's hilarious. And you talking about, you know, he always talking about third levels and flips and whatever, man. But shout out to Craig. I thought that was hilarious. But anyway, let's keep it moving, shall we? B&B minor, like I showed y'all yesterday, I took out what 3 point something B&B, 8 yesterday. Now look, right back to 2 B&B. This thing just paying, man. It had just hit 3,000, like 3,025 or something. Now this thing at 3,269. So I'm gonna compound that. You know what I'm saying? Hey, and man, listen, what you need to do is compound like just all day. Compound like 3, 4, 5 times a day. That's the move. You can do it more. See, I do YouTube, so I have to show y'all that this stuff pay and stuff like that. So I only can do it 1 time a day just to show you. But you know what I'm saying? The key is to compound this thing every day, all day, bro. My TVL was 17.5. Boom, just jumped over 20. I'm at 20 BNB. That's what it is, baby. Anyway, let's keep it moving, shall we? The Animal Farm. Oh, that was last night before I went to bed. Look at these numbers. 295, 722. Let's see how much money I made overnight before I went to sleep. The 295, 722. Bam. There we here. Why? Just I ain't do nothing. You know what I'm saying? Just went to sleep and woke up and got more money. Yeah, price easily going down. But hey, I think we got a little pump in crypto today too. I'm not sure. I don't know. I just go ahead and see this money, man. I still got 2 hours to go. But anyway, let's keep it moving, shall we? The old drip garden, yes. The reports of the drip garden demise have been greatly exaggerated. This thing been going for a long time, bro. This thing been going for a minute. We got 18 hundo in here, man. We're gonna go on the compound that. You all know what we're gonna do. Compound life, baby. Compound life. That's what we do. Give me the finger. There we go. Give me the finger. It's too early to be playing around with that finger now. So he's gonna take me over. Let's see, 60,000. See what he's gonna take me. Oh wow, that took me over 100,000. What? Don't nobody compound more than me, bro. Just overall, nobody compounds more than me. Period. Nobody compounds more than Stunner. Nobody give way more money than me. Nobody compound more than me. Just period. Let's check on the monster, shall we? Going over to the beast. You understand what I'm saying? Hey, why this thing still kicking? Did my airdrop yesterday. Well, I add a couple more people. 20 drip a piece. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, but I'm finna show you something that's gonna trip you out, right? Because there's a misconception that it's just YouTube is the one that get rich and drip and all that and carrying on. But I'm finna show you something that's gonna trip you out. Because if you think about it, it's only like, what, 4, maybe 5 YouTubers that, big time YouTubers that talk about drip that actually show their platform, actually, you know what I'm saying, that's, made plenty of money in drip. Maybe 4, 5. Maybe I might be forgetting one. Maybe 6. But I'm finna show you something. And shout out to the people still joining. But look at this. 807. That's frontline people. People telling people about drip. Man, they telling their family members. And, well, this thing is making plenty of people money. And I'm about to show you right now. Come on over here. Bam. To the blockchain. Blockchain don't lie. Go over to the holders of drip, right? Now, this is the top 1,000 holders, right? So this Pancake Swap. I think this is the liquidity on the DEX or whatever. I think this is the tax vault or something. Maybe a person, I don't know. But anyway, I think now all these are people. So let me show you something. Look at these quantities of drip they got. 18,000, 17,000, 12,000, 6,000, 6,000, 5,000, 4,000, 3,000, 3,000, 3,000, 3,000, all the way down. It's 20 pages of this, bro. It's just the top 1,000. They only show the top 1,000. It's 20 more pages of this. 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 1,600, 1,700, 1,900, 1,900, 1,900, 2,000, 2,000. This is people, bro. Look at this. You see what I'm saying? These are regular people that's making plenty money in drip. It's 20 pages. They're just the top 1,000. It's 20 pages of this, bro. Only like 4 or 5 YouTubers that people all just talk about the same people stunning this and bro, this thing is making regular people. You have no reason not to be a boss in drip. None. These are regular people. Hey, whatever they do in life, maybe some of these people don't even work no more. You know what I'm saying? They just sitting on drip, whatever. Drip is being held up by kings, bro. No other platform can say that. Kings and queens. And you know why all this drip going? Straight into the animal farm when the animal farm launch. They're just going to pair it with BUSD. Where you think it all come from? They're going to put it all in animal farm, earn more money. It just makes sense. Drip is so bullish, it ain't even funny, bro. The scratch tickets ain't cake. See, people don't show you stuff like that. They just want to hoot and holler and think 1 or 2 people trying to drain the contract. It can't happen. This contract runs on taxes, bro. Anytime somebody click a button, that creates a tax. People tell me, oh, it started minting this and that. Hell, it started minting at $10. And hell, it been holding steady. It might go down like $9.50 or something like that. Since it started minting, the price been holding steady. Because believe it or not, you do have buys. People still buying drip. Of course, there's more sales in drip because we're in a bear market. People are making money. But it ain't like they just selling out, oh, they just selling out all and dripping it. No, they're not. Here it is right here. This is what the holders got. You know what I'm saying? You can keep flipping pages. People have drip, bro. They ain't nobody, everybody just selling. You doing that. You know what I'm saying? Everybody not just, oh, they get 2 drip and sell it. So, oh, I gotta claim, gotta sell. No. It's not what's happening. The people are not going to let this thing go nowhere. The people, regular, everyday people that don't do YouTube. My address ain't even nowhere on here. You see what I'm saying? So these ain't all YouTube. You feel me? Now look, At this point, you got no reason not to become a boss in drip. Your next door neighbor, your gardener, everybody, your pool man that's cheating with your spouse, everybody is a, I be tripping, man, is a boss in drip, bro. I'm telling you, this thing has changed more lives than anything, bro. The proof is in the pudding. I can't come make this stuff up. It's right here. These numbers that just pop up, they earn this. This is what the platform is doing for people. This is a lot of money, bro. You know how much money this is? You got no reason not to. So it's on you from now on, Jack. The platform is still paying, still doing what it do. I told you from the beginning, jack this up, bro. This begets this. And this begets your pocket. You know what I'm saying? That's on you. I can't tell you to claim, buy, sell, compound, solo sport. But I'm just telling you, I'm just showing you what everybody else is doing. They holding, bro. You know what I'm saying? They holding. Blockchain don't lie. So drip is bullish, man. Do what you got to do. You don't believe in the project, that's fine too. Hey, do what you got to do. All I'm telling you, the future looks bright and people keep coming in too. Anyway, man, like the video. Comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy.